What's up, buds? It's Fly High, and the farm is not looking so good these days. I got her broke down. I sold half the machines already, and these two are also sold. The one needs some repairs, and that one is next to go. All the old machines are going, rebuilding the farm completely based on these. This is the Bamboo Labs A1 Mini. I've been loving this little thing. I've already got 4 more on the way, and I'm getting new tubs set up for them. Tubs in there, and rebuilding the stacks. I'm reinforcing things to make things a little more stable. The crossbars in here now, just because this thing moves so damn fast. So yeah, please bear with me, mind the progress. I ain't stopping for shit though. This thing is just going to continue growing and getting faster and more powerful. Can't wait to see everybody at the Rippies on Saturday. I'll see y'all soon.